the Book Factory provides total automation in print-on-demand control. And this technology was not before available for the type of work that we do. So it has increased our productivity, and subsequently it has increased our bottom line. And we look forward to continuing to do that.
Versatility in our type of business in the POD area is almost a given. It has to be, because of the type of publishers that we have, the different size books that we do, different paginations that we do, different stock types that we may use. The BOURG Book Factory allows us to change over from one size book to another very efficiently, go from one paper size, one type of paper, different poundages of paper, with very little changeover time required, and that seems to satisfy and suit a lot of our publishers very well. The partnership with CP BOURG has been very good from the start. We try a lot of different things that haven't been done before with inline processes. BOURG's always been there. What we've done here at Offset's POD is taken two of the BPRF units and running them back to back so that we can fold down a 17-inch sheet to come to a final form of a 5 1/4, 8 1/4 inch sheet. And what it's doing for us is allowing us to print an 8-page signature rather than a 4-page or a 2-page signature, which is conventional with this type of inline equipment.
What this allows us to do is it enables us to initially fold that 17-inch sheet of paper in half. We then perforate it, rotate it, and fold it into a 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 inch sheet of paper. This gives us an 8-page signature that we're able to produce and then collect and bind into a book. By doing this, we are going from an 11 by 17 into a 5 1/2, 8 1/2 signature, as opposed to an 8 1/2 by 11 into a 5 1/2, 8 1/2 signature. This, in essence, reduces our click costs.
It has dramatically increased our productivity. It's reduced our inventory costs. We don't have to invest as much money into inventory. It's eliminated obsolescence. It also facilitates us to have more up-to-date revisions on a more frequent basis, because we don't have to obsolete inventory in order to update the textbooks and reference materials.
The productivity has increased tremendous. I can't really tell you a percentage, but it's well over 60–70%. Ultimately, the more books we can produce per hour of any size and any file, the better it is for us. And of course, it's better for the client, because the turnaround time for those books gets put down to days versus what it used to be weeks or even months. So we're very happy with that system, and it does increase our bottom line tremendously.
The increase in productivity that we achieved by utilizing the CP BOURG Book Factory was almost immediate. I think without CP BOURG's technology, we couldn't provide the services that we provide today. First of all, having a book factory in line basically means that our turnaround time is minimal. From the time that we press the button to start the Xerox piece of equipment, we are basically getting good books off the back end of that device, going directly into a carton and being shipped that day.
CP BOURG operates 3 manufacturing sites, 2 in Belgium and 1 in the United States. Our products are distributed in Europe via our Belgium headquarters, subsidiaries in Belgium, Luxembourg, France, and Germany, and valued distributors. Throughout North and South America, BOURG products are distributed by CP BOURG Incorporated, headquartered in New Bedford, Massachusetts. In all other markets, we have an international network of independent distributors, providing both sales and service for our products. In addition, Xerox and BOURG personnel work closely to provide a complete global strategy for sales and service. BOURG has been awarded Xerox's 1999 and 2000 Finishing Partner of the Year Award for sales and quality achievement. For post-sale support, Xerox and BOURG products are serviced under the PSFMA program, which offers end-user customers full service around the clock.
The service we have received at JICAP has been outstanding. We've had very little downtime, and as a result, we've been able to maintain our production schedules. We're very happy with the service.
CP BOURG service has been excellent to us. They're very responsive to our needs.
Well, we've been very, very impressed with CP BOURG from the beginning. From the moment that they came and presented the Book Factory technology to us, to installation, implementation, training, which was very, very crucial to our team to understand the equipment, how it worked, and then the service follow-up afterwards. It has been, I have to rate it as an A+.
CP Board service has been excellent. The actual equipment itself is very durable, runs flawlessly for extended periods of time, and we have very little service that has to be done on a lot of the equipment that we have.
CP Board prides itself on its successful threefold strategy of quality, innovation, and efficiency. But more important, we form partnerships with our customers so that they too can succeed in this competitive global market.
One of the things that bears mentioning about the CP Board company is that rather than treating you just as a customer, they're really going out of their way to form a partnership with you. They understand that on-demand is a business that is growing very rapidly in the U.S. and in the world, and they grow with you as a client, and it goes to their service and it goes to everything else that they're doing. But we are really considering CP Board a partner, not just a provider or a vendor of equipment. And we hope to do work with them for many more years. And as this business is growing, they'll be there side by side with us, providing us with the excellent service that they have been in the past. And we hope to place many more of their book factories in our system and to continue this path of print-on-demand excellence with both of the technologies that we're providing to customers.
As we move forward with our print-on-demand area, CP Board has been an integral partner in what we're doing. They have been with us since day one. They have helped us grow this business. CP Board helped us to get started. They taught us a lot about on-demand finishing equipment. Our partnership has been a strong one ever since. They've been behind us every step of the way. They're very flexible in order to be able to help us come up with solutions that meet our needs, whether it's with our existing equipment or with equipment that we're looking at installing in the future.
With us working with CP Board, it's almost like working with a fellow employee, because CP Board is always there as far as when we want to try something. If we have ideas about new equipment, they're always more than willing to try to either invent something, you might say, or to come up with a piece of equipment that they have to try to help us along with what we want to do. We've tried other binder equipment, as I'm sure everyone has that's in the print-on-demand business. And to tell you the truth, we've bound one, maybe two books on some other equipment and gone right back to the CP Board, because the CP Board gives you a better quality book, faster, more efficient, and much easier to try to set up. We think that in the future we're going to try to, as much as it's humanly possible for us, is to stay with the CP Board type of binding equipment, not only because we're familiar with it, but because of the easeability in use and because of the great partnership we've had with their research and development department and with their clientele in a whole.
As you have seen, CP Board Company's Digital Board Book Factory is a benchmark technology for producing high-quality, inline, perfect bound or saddle-stitch documents by combining the technical expertise of Xerox, Roll Systems, the Board Print Manager, BPRF, Board BDF 2005, and BDFX products. Thanks to this multi-vendor effort, you, the customer, now have the solutions to meet all your print-on-demand document needs.
Well, we're excited about the future because obviously we have struck a chord in the printed world by going fully digital, fully on-demand. Statistics show that it is a fast-growing business into the billions of growth per year. And this facility, just by square footage alone, will be the largest on-demand production facility in the United States. It's a very ambitious project, but with technologies like the Book Factory, we're very confident that we will be a leader in the on-demand print field. I'm very excited about it.
The CP Board companies would like to welcome you to visit our global facilities and to work with our distinguished partners, Xerox Corporation and Roll Systems. The combination of design know-how, worldwide sales and service, and the most dependable products in the worldwide finishing markets make BOURG the leader. The Digital Board Book Factory, your total digital solution.